underwater waterfall in Mauritius Island. Baffling the most well-traveled of our world, this captivating phenomenon happens in the Indian Ocean, on the tropical island of Mauritius. If you've never come across this island before, it's chiefly known for being the home of the now extinct dodo bird. It's now back with yet another fascinating trait, an underwater waterfall. Just to be clear, it isn't an actual waterfall, but rather an illusion which can only be seen from up top. Located on the southwestern coast of the island known as the Morne Peninsula, the phenomenon takes place in the turquoise lagoon. Thanks to the crystal clear water, it's possible to see through it, being the key to unraveling the mystery. Misleadingly, it isn't the water which is actually falling into the unknown, but rather the sand and silt sediments which are in perpetual movement. Mauritius, being a relatively young island, happens to sit on an ocean shelf raised above seabed level. Off this particular coast, a gradual slope is noticed, abruptly ending in a 4,000-meter deep abyssal drop. Thanks to this marine topography, various shades of blue are visible, due to the movement of sand and silt deposits along these slopes. It is this unique harmony of shades which create the optical illusion which has won so many admirers across the world. To best capture this gift from Mother Nature, there is nothing better than a helicopter ride above the Morne Peninsula. Enhanced with the UNESCO World Heritage Peak, the view gets even more breathtaking. If you first came to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon.